street. This is the potatoes. This is a copycat shop of the original one. We will show you. This is the original potatoes shop, the famous one in Turkey, and you have seen in YouTube for many times. Here is the shop actually. Let me show you how it looks like. This looks like so nice here. Thank you. This is the actual product looks like. Okay. Here, how it is. Here. This is our butter and cream. Butter naan. This is a cheese. They're putting on the cheese actually. This is a very healthy item as this. Okay. So ready inside. Okay, so you're gonna put this one.
Esto.
This ready, just selecting the items.
Aceituna.
Three.
Maíz. ¿Esto qué es? ¿Macarrones?
Four.
Queso. Queso. Ah, pues mayonesa y... Ah, ya tiene queso dentro. Sí. Da igual, yo quiero más queso.
This is how it looks.
Vale. Vale. Tampoco te va a quedar. Remolacha, ¿no? Aceitunas también. Pepino. Pepinillo, bueno. Y más queso. Un poquito, eso, así. Gracias.
Okay, got it. So this is the very famous, potatoes. They're making like the pricing over here, 140, 150. And this is a potato you see over here. It's a big potato, and they cut it and they this is the oven. They will on the potatoes. We can say this is a make potatoes ready for this beautiful finished product.
Yes. And mix. Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay guys, let's move on. This is the potatoes I want to show you. So opposite that, this is the building. This is Istanbul Chamber of Industries, and you can see